Today I'm chilling with my dog Shield. It's feeling really down, so I said let me just come and spend my time with Shield. She's my baby girl. Wanna see her? Okay, hold on, you see her now. Okay? There she is. Shield, come here. Yeah. That's me, my baby girl. Hey, Shield. Shieldy girl. There she is. There she is. Shieldy girl. That's my baby Shield. But when I get my own place, she come stay with me. But now she's staying with my pastor's brother. So she don't stay with me. Alright, man. I'll talk to you guys later. I'll blow my dog. Bye. But she doesn't want me to leave, so as you can see, she's by the door. Sheila, I have to go, okay? I have to go. I'll see you later, okay? I'll see you later. Love you. Bye.